Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and what an awesome and cool lock we have here. This was sent to me by the legal lock picker, whose channel I hope you know already. Please do go check it out. I will leave a link. And I just love locks with these awesome logos like Avocet, Eagle, Bassie with their elephant with a little key, so cute. And this one is a Rhino lock, and obviously it's got a Rhino on there. In fact, it's even got a little Rhino on the key. Very cool. There we go. Just get that for you. And what's really cool about this lock is it's a double row of pins. There we go. Quite a strong spring on the core there. Double ball bearing mechanism. This is a magnetic body. I'd like to think it was hardened steel. I don't know. The shackle says hardened. I really like this lock, so I don't want to actually test it with a hacksaw. So I'm just going to take it, yeah, on its own word that it's probably hardened steel, possibly. Now, what's really odd about this is that I looked at the key and it looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins on the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left. But actually, when I've got this lock, it's not quite right. Well, I don't want to spoil it for you. So yeah, let me go grab a vise, we'll pick it and I'll show you what I mean. So here we are, reminded of that odd key. Just make sure it's all locked back up. And we're going to use a bit of wiper blade as a top of the keyway tension tool. Got to balance that quite strong spring tension there. And then a Peterson Gem in 80,000. Frankly, it doesn't matter what you put in there. I can turn the whole pick round inside this lock. It's so so wide. Right, so you just got to be very careful balancing that tension nice and light. Pin 4 on the left. Try again. Okay. Pin 3 and 2, and I think that's it on that side. Trying to find any pins on the left now. Nothing's really binding. Oh, I'd hit pin, I think it's pin 4 at the back, and it is open now. But I mean, I must have picked 4 pins in that lock. Considering it's got double row of pins, you'd expect it to have a little bit more bite to its bark, wouldn't you? Let me just show you what's going on inside here. Now you'll see what the mystery is, and it's very odd, I have to say. I mean, first of all, I just have to say I really love this lock. I love any unusual lock like this. It's a really fantastic one for the collection. But you'll see, yeah, look at the top. You'd think we'd have at least 10 pins. Actually, it looks like we've got 9, and only 4 of those seem to be effective. I don't really know why. I guess it's a combination of 0 lift pins here and maybe driver pins which are just too short for these ones, and maybe that just means that the pull tolerances inside the lock essentially mean that the lock picks itself for the most part. But I can't get in to find out what's going on. It just feels like all standard pins anyway, but somehow they've manufactured it so that that one of these pins probably acts as a retaining pin and stops the core from turning too far round, but also from coming out. If I was just going to align the key, let's have a look, yeah, to the front of the lock like that, you'll see that it looks like, just trying to see those pins there. So that last position isn't taken up here, and that could be the position which is the retaining pin for the core. And the bottom ones, yeah, they're all present on the left-hand side, albeit that only one of them seemingly needs to be picked. Shame you can't gut this, but there you go. It's still a really awesome and very cool lock. I absolutely love it. I just wish it was a little harder to pick. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all next time.